This is Doc May again at your service, and we will be doing unboxing on this video. Ang gagawa po ng unboxing ay ang aking anak na si Prince, and he will be doing unboxing of his Philips Sonicare Electric Toothbrush. But before we proceed on that video, let me just give you an overview of what is an electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrush is a kind of toothbrush that makes a rapid automatic bristle motion, which could either be back and forth oscillation or rotation oscillation. Ibig sabihin po nito is ginagalaw po ng machine na to ang toothbrush ay either in a counterclockwise or clockwise motion. So now, alam ko po kung ano ang nasa isip nyo. It's like you will be asking, what is better? Is it the manual toothbrush or the electric toothbrush? Being a dentist po, and some other dentists, we recommend more using the electric toothbrush. Bakit po? Kasi electric toothbrush removes more plaque compared to the manual toothbrush. Dahil ang head po ng electric toothbrush is moving into a counterclockwise and a clockwise motion wherein it will do the job for you. Hindi kagaya po ng manual toothbrush na ikaw po talaga ang gagalaw at gagawa ng movement para malinisan niya ang iyong mga ngipin. And also, lahat po ng mga electric toothbrushes ay mayroon po silang built-in timer. Kagaya po ng diniscuss ko before, na ang proper time ng pagtutoothbrush ng ngipin should be 2 minutes. So, karamihan po and mostly po ng mga electric toothbrushes ay mayroon po silang mga built-in na timer na magsasabi sa inyo if you already done the 2 minutes or proper time duration of brushing your teeth. Isa lang naman ang pwedeng disadvantage ng electric toothbrush. And what is it? Cost. Medyo mahal po talaga ang electric toothbrush. But, wag po kayong manghinayang sa pera na ibibili nyo sa electric toothbrush because worth it naman po ang pag-invest sa electric toothbrush kasi nga po, matutulungan niya kayong malinisan ng maayos ang iyong mga ngipin. So now, without further ado, let's move on to the unboxing of Kuya Prince.
Hello mga happies! Welcome back to another video. For today's video po ay mag-unbox po tayo ng aking automatic toothbrush. At ito po ay napanalunan ko din po sa isang year-end party ng aking mommy. Ang galing ko, nakachamba pa din ako nito. At by the way po, hindi po to sponsored hindi po to sponsored. At ngayon po ay magsisimula na po tayo mag-unbox ng Philips automatic toothbrush. So magbasa po tayo ng mga instructions po nito. Choose your preferred level for gentle yet effective cleaning. Protects teeth and gums from excessive brushing, low pressure and sensor. Always know when to replace brush heads for an effective cleaning every time. So dapat palit-palitin. Helps ensure dental professional recommend 2-minute brushing time and encourages thorough brushing of each quadrant of the mouth. And recharge indicator, light shows battery status and alerts you when to recharge. And it's also waterproof. Now let's open the box. Sin natin yung tape. So this is what inside the box. So meron po tayong instruction booklet. the head of the toothbrush, the charger, and the body. Wait lang. Ayan, ito po. Ayan po natin. Ito po. So, ito po ang instruction booklet po ng toothbrush. Okay, so, introduction, application, saan po yung toothbrush handle, toothbrush, battery status and charging, put the plug of the charger and electrical outlet. Okay, moving on po. So, ito po ang charger po ng toothbrush. So, paano ipa-plug itong... So nakatayo po ang toothbrush kung i-charge. Ay, wait lang po, nasaan po yung ulo. May cover pa siya. Tama lang kasi. Okay, so ito po ang itsura ng kanyang head. Malambot-lambot din, may stiffness. Okay, yun. So, insert na natin. So, let's explore the toothbrush na po. So, ito po, meron yung ulo, meron po yung body, meron po yung indicator, and meron din po yung socket. So, ito po yung on and off button, yung power po. At ito po, by the way, ang head po neto ay replaceable po. Pwede po kayong bumili ng head lang po, pang replace neto. So, ito try na nga po natin. Uy! O na nga po, nagva-vibrate na po siya. Nagva-vibrate or ano man ang tawag dito. Rinig niyo ba yung tunog? So, bago po natin gamitin lagi po to, ay linisin po natin ang head neto. Kasi, nahawak-hawakan natin eh. So, yun guys, the unboxing is finished na po. And thank you for watching this video.